Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. They've got for you an Aprilia RSV4 RF. This is absolutely gorgeous, is this. So many high-end parts on these, absolutely lovely. So you've got lightweight wheels, you've got fully adjustable Ohlins, Ohlins steering damper, Brembo M50 Monoblocs. It's got loads of carbon panels on it. The Akrapovic titanium exhaust, fully adjustable Ohlins rear shock. Absolutely gorgeous. They've got power modes, traction, anti-wheelie, launch control, quickshifter, you name it. This is as close to a world superbike as you're going to get for the road from Aprilia. 2016 on a 66, done 2,105 miles only. It is gorgeous. We'll pan you around the other side and start it up. It is just the best noise as a V4. So, to appreciate it for yourself, come on down to Jordanbikes or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.